Okay, welcome. This is a conversation. It's a long conversation, but I think it's very interesting. Um, I live in the United States and I work as an interpreter, and sometimes some of the difficulties and it happens between the law enforcement and the people who don't speak English language. So I make this lesson, and it's kind of like a little bit very interesting. It's a conversation between a police officer and Abdi. Abdi, he's a Somali man who works and lives here in the United States, and he doesn't speak English because he's an immigrant and he never get a chance to go maybe English school. So here is the conversation. The police officer did stop him, Abdi, and ask him, "Hello." Abdi says, "One, about doing okay," kind of like that. Police officer, I'm a police officer. Waxaan ahay askari booliisa. Waxaan ahay askari booliisa. Abdi, he was kind of surprised and he said, "Haye, okay. Do you know why I stop you? Ma garanaysaa sababta aan ku istaajiyey?" Abdi says, "Maya." "No." The police officer then says, "Where are you going?" "Xageed ku socotaa?" This is a typical conversation between a people, drivers and the police officers here in the United States. "Xagee ku socotaa?" "Xagee ku socotaa?" "Where are you going?" Abdi kind of like he still doesn't know, but he says, "Waxaan ku socdaa shaqo. I'm going to work." "Do you know why I stopped you?" "Do you know why I stopped you?" "Do you know why I stopped you?" Ma garanaysaa sababta aan ku istaajiyey? Abdi says, "No." Maya. "No." A police officer, askari, waxaad ku socotay xawli. You were speeding. Abdi, he still doesn't know what's going on. He says, "Maya." "No." Askari, police officer, you were driving a 50 mile per hour and the speed limited steady. Waxaad ku socotay konton. Xadka wadada la ogol yahayna waa 30. Abdi says, "Maya, kuma socon intaas. Weydii saaxiibkay Abdi." I didn't put this translation, but Abdi says, "No, that was not my speed. Ask my friend Abdi." Abdi, who also was going with him, he said, "That was not my speed. Ask my friend Abdi." So this green one is his friend, other Abdi, who was in the car with him. And he says, "No, officer, he was not speeding at all." "Police officer, I had you in my speed. I had you on my radar." Waxaan idinku hayay raadaarkayga. I had you on my radar. Abdi, waxaa laga yaabaa inuu ahaa gaari kale. Maybe that was the other car. Police officer, that was your car. I will issue a speeding ticket. You either can go to court or pay online. Wuxuu ahaa gaarigaaga. That was your car. Waxaan ku siinayaa ticket. Waxaad aadi kartaa maxkamadda ama waxaad ku bixin kartaa nidaamka lagu bixiyo ee online-ka. Abdi's friend then says, "Saaxiib, ina mari, kuwani lacag unbay iska rabaane. Maxkamadda ayaan tegaynaa." He says, "Let's go, friend. These guys, they only need money. We will go to court. Next time, Abdi will go to the court and we will make another lesson that we will name it Abdi Goes to Court." There is a lot of words in this lesson, but I will make another lesson that we will cover some of the words that we go over this lesson. Thank you and see you in our next lesson.